Hi Vitepos lover. It's the Vitepos tutorial here. This video will show you the custom field on the cart and invoice feature on Vitepos version 3.0. So, let's get started. If you are new to our channel, then please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get more updated videos. If you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much for subscribing. A custom field is an extra data field that users can define and set up beyond the standard fields. It allows for personalized data entry and organization in various applications. To add a custom field on the cart and invoice, first you have to go to the Vitepos admin panel and then to the customization module. You will get the custom field tab. On this tab, you get some custom fields already added to the customer form. Now we will add a new custom field on the cart and invoice. For that, click on the Add Field button. Now we have to give the custom field label and select the field type. On this field type, you will get all available types like text box, text area, numeric, switch, date, drop-down, checkbox, and radio. Here we select text box. Then give help text as a placeholder, and you have to select where you want to show the custom field. Here we have to select on cart, invoice. When you select the option, you will get the position field where you have to select the field position. First, we select the Into the button. If you select this option, you do not get access to the required field and help field option. Keep the status enabled and click on the Save button. A new custom field will be added to the list. Now click on View POS to see the result. On the cart panel, here we see a Fields tab. If you click on it, then you can see the custom field that we have added to the Vitepos admin panel. One more thing, if you want to see the field on the invoice, then you have to go to the Vitepos admin panel. In the Setting module on the Print Setting module, you have to open the Item Details accordion. Here you have to enable the last option, which is the Order Custom field. If you enable this, on the right side you can see where the custom field will show. Now on the POS panel, we can see the custom field will show below the invoice. Now if you want to show the custom field above the button, and select it on the position field. Then enable the half field if you want to show the field as half. Also enable is required if you want it to be required. Enable status, then click on the Save button. Now on the POS panel, you can see the custom field will show on the above the buttons. After payment, it also shows on the invoice. In the same process, if you select below the button on the position option and disable the half field and is required, then it will show the custom field on below the buttons of the POS cart panel. After payment, it also shows on the invoice. That concludes our overview of the custom field on the cart and invoice feature of Vitepos. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.